And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat. He's fun. And he makes cool stuff.
Hey gang, Poppy here. A little while ago, a month or so, I said I've been hacked. Some people laugh. Oh, it doesn't happen. Oh, he doesn't know what he's talking about. On the 26th of July this year, someone working through my modem, copyright infringed Beavis and Butthead. Come on. That day, all I did was upload one video to YouTube and watch some YouTube. We were on the phone with Abuse at Mediacom today, and we went through all our devices and told them all the programs on it. No, it didn't happen from you guys. So, I was hacked through my Wi-Fi connection. Yeah. It can't happen. You don't know what you're talking about. When your internet connection goes from perfectly fine, you upload, and 3 hours later, it won't connect. They say, oh, we turned you off. Copyright infringement. Bullshit. This dramatic presentation. Yeah. Dramatic presentation. Poppy's no fool. Sometimes he knows things he can't prove. People ask him, how do you know? Little birdie told me. They think you're a smart ass. Came to me in a dream. The angels told me. Oh, yeah. That one really gets them. That'll shut people up. Well, an angel told me. Well, I know my angel won't lie to me. Anyway, I got hacked. I'm back up. I'm going out and recording a little bit in the shop. I'm hoping, although not too strongly, that my reamers will show up today. Yeah, they only shipped them yesterday. It's FedEx. Anyway, Poppy's out for now. Gonna try and survive the heat. Drag myself out into the shop sometime after dark. Give the shop plenty of time to cool down. Good night from California.